Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily fix your SOUNDCORE Liberty 5 earbuds having different battery levels on each earbuds. So here, as you can see, we have SOUNDCORE Liberty 5, and the first thing that they recommend doing is to leave your earbuds plugged into the power for at least a few hours. Leave your earbuds, for example, for 5 hours, plug into the power, try to move your earbuds and check if they are charging. You need to put it like this, and this has to be, stable over here and here. And if you leave it like that for some period of time, they should be charged up to 100%. If they are, you should be able to see if the battery level is here normal. If it still isn't, it means that one of the earbuds aren't charging. You need to either go to the device support or clean the pins. If the pins here aren't working, you need to contact device support. Factory reset won't help here because this is a hardware issue. Goodbye.